haijaitengenezwa for the last 5 years. Na mimi nataka kualika waziri wetu Murkomen wa barabara atembee barabara ya Baragoi Loyangalani, Maralal Loyangalani. Hata sio bure bandits wanasumbua watu. Gari haitembei, ni mawe. That is just one. Morijo ambaye inaangaliana kila siku inapigwa risasi yuko na watoto 700. Almost 800, 700 and something. Na watoto wametoka kila mahali Kenya. Wametoka Nyeri, wametoka Uasin, wametoka Nakuru, wametoka kila mahali Kenya. Leo nilipata fursa ya kuongea na hawa. Na hii watoto ni watu wanapita mtihani ya world class university.
All students going to the university. But it's tall order keeping these students here. And the security situation is deteriorating every day. If we are assured of security, then we'll be very grateful. We thank the county government. They've given us NPR to protect the students. But honestly, it is traumatizing. As it is currently, even getting supplies from Maralal to this place.
Na atongoria kaunti-ini ya Embu ni magithingatite muingi mwena uyu gwikoragwo ugithiaga na guthimo wa mwiri mahinda maria magirire na ni itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni makihurana na gutherema kwa murimu wa kansa makiaria mari mathiko-ini ma muikari umwe ukurikanite ta Sarah Nyawira na uria wakorirwo agikua kumana na kugomerwo ni kansa ya nyondo ni makiugite ati kana ni makiugite muingi gukorwo ukimairiria gukorwo ugithimwo mahinda kwa mahinda ni undu ukoretwo ugitheremia murimu uyu na njira nene.
Cancer is indeed the biggest killer that we have in the country today. And when cancer hits a home, it takes away a lot from the people of the family. So I want to urge everybody, nataka kuambia kila mtu, ni wega kuthimwa na kuyatumia na tondu ni mwona nyawe ni wathie na thi nundu wa kansa ya nyondo niguo na thoma twiritwo wi mutumia ni wega ukathimwa kansa ya nyondo once every year, especially agakorwo mukinyu stage ya guciara na wi muciaru. It's important wambire kuraragwa kansa ya nyondo every year, because by the time you notice it at the 3rd, 4th stage, it's usually too late. It's good umenye tene na tuthomithie nginya eritu etu kumenyerera ndeto hiyo.
Hii nyumba yetu ndogo tukae chini tuweze kuongea, tuone vile we can even roll out a campaign ya kuhakikisha we are able to reach even those ones when they don't have means and they don't have ile uwezo inaweza saidia wao. Na I want to congratulate the county government kwa sababu I have seen several agendas related to screening of people with cancer.
No ga kororua na woneke we at pre-cancer stage kwe undo twekaga tuga scoop those cells out of your womb, out of your cervix. No ge kirwa ndawa ekathira no kathie back to normal life. But when it is discovered too late, again it becomes very difficult to heal. Na ni free.
Nayo mieri metakana mieri itatu mihituku matura ma Kapushen Orodume na Kamologona maria mari muhaka-ini wa kaunti ya Pokot ya Ithũĩro Orodume na Elgeyo Marakwet ni makenereire thayu thengia oikorwo magitharikirwo mahinda kwa mahinda ni itoi cia uici wa mahiũ ni undu uria uhanikite thutha wa atongoria thirikari ni magitongwa ni thirikari ya kaunti na Pokot ya Ithũĩro kuhetukira MCA wa wadi ya Tupache makoretwo magitabania mbitika iria ikoretwo ikirehe hamwe muingi mwena uyu itemi-ini ria gukorwo makieheria ngayukano gatagati ka aikari atongoria kana atongoria ngurani ni magicemanitie na aikari hamwe na uyu ari ni hamwe na uria wakiri afitha wa tene kaunti-ini ino uikaine Talaki Litole.
Hii ward tuko na shida ya insecurity upande wa Kamele, na unaona timu ya Kamele ndio imefika finali. So vijana wa Kamele wale sana sana iko shida ya insecurity, tunajaribu kuleta hawa wasahau hiyo mambo ya insecurity, na hata wakati wanacheza huko Kamele huwa wanacheza na Kabieko upande wa Elgeyo Marakwet, na hata saa hii ile timu ya Kamele iko na wachezaji kutoka upande wa Marakwet, na hiyo ni kuhusiana na mambo ya amani, kuhusisha vijana katika mchezo ili wasahau mambo ya vita.
Mimi ndiye waziri wa tourism, sports, youth affairs and social. Pia tukiongelea maneno ya security, tunaelewa hii Kapach ward iko karibu na Marakwet. Na hii border and security tulisema katika michezo wale pia wanaweza kuja huku, na pia sisi tutaenda pale, tutacheza pamoja ili tuimize maneno ya insecurity na tupunguze maneno ya kupigania border.
Basi kwa majina naitwa Joseph Loriwo, ndiye Assistant Secretary wa Athletics Kenya North Rift, na county ni secretary wa county ya West Pokot. Hapa nimekuja kwa minajili ya kufanya ile registration ya ordinary membership ya Athletics Kenya, ambaye niko na forms hapa. Hizi ndio forms ambayo tunafanya mambo ya registration application, na tuko na receipt yetu hapa ni ya Kapach ward
katika ofisi ya governor, na lengo kuu ya kufanya hayo maneno ya michezo ni kuweza kuwahusisha vijana ili wawache maneno ya pombe na dawa za kulevya na miadarati.
Naguo ugendi gatagati ka bururi wa Kenya orondumwe na Jordan ni utanyitwo gukorwo ukigacira na njira nene, na ni thutha wa mabũrũri maya merĩ gwĩtanywo gukorwo magikiranira ngirimiti ya uiguano ya kwagĩrithia ugendi. Minista wa bũrũri ũyũ wa Jordan Makram Mustafa na ũrĩa ũkĩrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ icera-inĩ rĩake rĩa kĩwĩra nĩ ugĩte atĩ nĩ hakĩrĩ bata wa gukorwo makĩmatia ndũgũ gatagati ka mabũrũri maya merĩ itemi-inĩ gukorwo makiarahũra ugendi. Oho nĩ eranĩire ũrĩa bũrũri wa Jordan ũkĩharĩirie gukorwo ũkĩheria maratathi ma visa kuri agendi kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ magĩthiĩ bũrũri-inĩ ũyũ wa Jordan.
I think the sky is the limit with the relationship with Kenya. I don't think it's limited to tourism. I think it's beyond that, and we discussed a lot of issues and fields of future collaboration and cooperation between Jordan and Kenya, but specifically tourism. Tourism is one of the main drivers of the national economies. It contributes to like 15.6% of the total GDP in Jordan. And as I heard from Dr. Mutawa, that it contributes to almost 10% in the Kenyan economy. It used to be higher. With the vision that I have witnessed with the minister and his professional team, I think they will carry this file further. The sector will be developed further. I saw determination and I saw seriousness. So there's a lot to collaborate with Kenya, training, maybe marketing, promotion, joint projects, and in the field of antiquities, we can do a lot together. We have immense experience in archaeology, preservation, restoration, maybe rebuilding some sites. I'm sure that there's a lot that is hidden under the Kenyan soil.
My key concern is Jordan willing to have Kenyans get visa-free to Jordan?
If it is reciprocated, yes. I mean, if we are treated the same, absolutely we do it.
Nake muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa arĩa makĩrĩ wathe kaunti-inĩ ya Meru oĩkaine ta Mohoro Mugongo nĩ akiugĩte atĩ nĩ makoretwo makĩgerera mahinda maritũ na makĩria kumana na wagi wa indo iria maikoragwo kana maikoragwo magibatara hari gutwarithia na mbere miturire ya orondumwe na guthutukanio na makiria mawira-ini ma thirikari. Kuringana nake ni akihoete kana ni akiugite ati ni maragibatara uteithio wa naihenya na akendekithia ona ateti gwikoragwo makimakuruhania orondumwe na kuheaga mieke ya mawira ta ari angi na makiria nginyagia rire maikorwo makihurira ndebe gukorwo magietha kura kuri muingi.
Tukiangalia upande wetu wa people living with disability, tuko na challenges mingi sana. For example, ukiangalia Meru Town kuna vioski ambavyo imetengewa watu wa disability. Watu wa disability wamepewa vioski. Tungetaka Nkobo Town watujengee tena mondani vioski ili watu wetu wa disability wapate kupata para pasuri pa kufanyia kazi yao. Because ukiangalia Nkobo Town saisi hakuna mondani vioski. Watu wetu wengine wanatafuta mahali pa kukaa wanakosa. Tumesikia ya kwamba hata waleo watu wako katika siasa ya 2027 ma MPs, kuna wale wanataka kiti ya governor. Mimi kama Mawira, chairman wa disability, ningetaka sana Mungu akitujalia 2027 wale wote wanataka kiti ya governor. Tunataka wandogo wao ama deputy wao awe ni mlemavu. Hata sisi tunataka kwa county government yetu kuwa na mtu ambaye ni mdogo wa governor awe mlemavu. Kwa nini nasema mlemavu? Huyo ndiye anajua shinda ambazo sisi tunapitia kama walemavu. Our county government again watufikirie sana kwa vikundi yetu ya disability. Wapate kutu empower na pesa ama watu empower na mambo ya rearing chicken. County government wanatuletea kuku kwa vikundi zetu. Watu wanaenda wanafuka kuku zao, wakipata mayai wanauza. So tunataka huu mwaka wa 2024 na county government itufikirie vizuri, itu empower ili mlemavu yoyote yule anataka kufanya kazi afanye kazi yake akiwa free na apate kipato chake cha kumsaidia na kupeleka watoto shuleni. Sisi walemavu hatutaki kulipa pesa yoyote kwa shule. Mtoto mlemavu ama mwanafunzi mlemavu anasoma kianzia primary, secondary mpaka university bila kulipa pesa yoyote. So tunataka walemavu wasiitishwe kitu yoyote because tunalemewa na mambo ya school fees. Sasa tunaona vile uchumi uchumi wetu Kenya nzima uko juu sana. So walemavu hawawezi somesa watoto, kuna wale hawana nguvu. So tunataka masomo iwe ya bure kwa mlemavu kianzia primary mpaka university. Na serikali ikifanya hivyo sisi walemavu tutafurahi sana. Because let's say hata ukienda saizi Mwangavya ward ama ukienda Kiagu ward, ikiulizia kama kuna mlemavu ambaye amefika university, utakuta hakuna. Kwa nini? Wameshindwa na school fees.
Riboti yo kuma kaunti ya Meru igakihe mweke ngikorwo ngikiria oro hanini ndugathi kuraihu ni amu ni ndiragicokeria na riboti kuma kuria iharo-ini citu.
Utongoria uria munene wa bururi uka nginyagia hau hakuja Wanjiku ni kurira ararira woye wakwa
ko ni kurio hakwa ni no nyende maandamano mambie rucio tondu thirikari no ni tuhinyiririe haria tukinyite
ati acio me ofisi-ini cia ubunge na kuria kungi ti aria twacagurire acio nio meheire mandate
ikae thirikari iratwendera atia.
It is my duty and indeed the duty of every citizen of Kenya to pay their share of taxes.
There are a number of proposed tax measures will have significant negative impact on taxpayers.
Kiuria gia kuongerereka kwa garama ya muturire ikionekana gwakiriria o gwakia
kuma riria ndeto cia ugikuyu ciokie bururi uyu noguo njohira ingihire kuma kuri anake a gikuyu.
Hihi murugamo wa thirikari ni uriko?
If you want to remove our trousers and whippers on the buttock, go ahead. We don't have the money.
Wege na urumwe wa Mugikuyu gũgatuĩka nĩyo ndama ateti megwateire.
We are where we are today because of it is because of Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ihinda nĩ ikinyu twarie marĩa matũkoniĩ ithuĩ nyũmba ya Mobi.
Rĩu rĩ gũtarĩ na maandamano marĩa mararehwo nĩ baba wa nyuka wanyu rĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũrarathwo
nyitanĩra na Kariuki wa Ndwati akiunanĩra Njong'wa na ateti o hamwe na atongoria makĩrung'a ici. Nĩ o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginyagia thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tũkĩgereka gabirũ ũtongoria wa bũrũri tabarĩra-inĩ ya kwendete ya kũrung'a igĩrĩ gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Na nĩ ndagĩcokereria tũkĩrũge wantu moja nginyagia iharo-inĩ na kuo tũgĩikie kabirũ ũrĩa maũndũ maragĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩgariũra na nĩ atĩ kĩrabu nyarari a Kenya Police nĩ magĩkorirwo makĩhota kĩrabu kĩa Embu Queens na bao 8-0 magĩkorwo makĩgwatĩra tigiti wa kũingĩra ikereka-inĩ rĩa 16 mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia gĩkombe kĩa FKF mwena wa Nyarari kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Embu Stadium. Tigana na mbĩtĩka cia airĩtu tũkĩingĩre mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia ngurutoki kana skating na nĩ atĩ Bella na Shipai kuma thukuru wa Academy wa Sports View nĩ ũrakorirwo akĩhotana kana gũkorwo akĩhotana na kwĩgwatĩra mweke wa gũkorwo agĩthiĩ na mbere mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici na nĩ thutha wa kũhota athaki 100 mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia skating.
My name is Bella Nashipai. I'm 12 years old. And the competition was good. It was intense, but hard work pays. And I was able to overlap some of the people, and I became position 1.
Majina ni Mark Karemi Mogo. I'm the head coach at Hospital Hill Primary School, Parklands. We've come with 46 kids, and 36 were able to compete in their respective categories. And we are happy because now we've garnered some top numbers and we are heading for the nationals. We had a student like Shamun who has proceeded to the nationals with the number 3. We have another one, Joy, who has proceeded to the nationals with number 3 also. We have others like Jaden who are proceeded to the nationals with number 4 and 5 respectively.
Tutigane na icio tukirongorerie mbĩtĩka cia mũbira wa golf na nĩ atĩ mũthaki wa golf ũĩkaine ta Amos Butite agĩkorirwo agĩtongoria timu yake gũkorwo akĩhotana ikereka-inĩ rĩa kerĩ mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia golf cia KCB iragĩtabanĩirio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa golf mwena wa Eldoret. Amos agĩkorirwo akĩhotana na pointi 100 rĩa 16 nayo timu ya Kipchirchir Kiprop mararĩkia marĩ a kerĩ na pointi 100 na 3. Timu ici igĩrĩ ciakorirwo ikĩgwatĩra tigiti wa gũthaka ikereka-inĩ rĩa final mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici mweri wa Dithemba mwaka ũyũ.
First and foremost, I want to sincerely thank KCB for this marvelous competition. We all appreciate that it was a big tournament and one of the best series in the country. So in terms of how I feel honored to be have added the best man and also part of the best team for the day. Will be proceeding to the grand finale. So it's a great honor for me, and I really appreciate KCB for the sponsorship. Of course, number one was we had to put up a strategic move in terms of forming up a team. So we deliberately looked at each other's potential, and we formed a team out of that. So I think it's a team that he has said he's a brother-in-law, and we play a lot together. So having that experience, we formed a team that was very well coordinated.
Na riboti iyo niyo yagitwikira gaturumo ka maria twagikorwo tugikumathira na tugigucokanĩrĩria gũkũ metha-inĩ ya Mũthingi TV arĩ gĩkũnjĩro kĩa mohoro ngatho cia mwanya mũno nĩ gũgĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra na niĩ ngakĩona mũndũ gũtũti Joshua Kamau Jacinta wa Starboy na Boni Wahio mwĩkorwo mũgĩũka na njĩra igwete kũrĩa nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria nĩguo Facebook ngatho cia mwanya mũno ndũgagĩkorwo ũgĩthiĩ kũraihu nĩamu nĩ twagĩthiĩ na mbere na kana gũkũharĩrĩria marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere na kwĩyumĩria na kũhanĩka gũkũ ituri-inĩ cia bũrũri wa Kenya. Ngatho cia mwanya mũno kũrĩ arĩa othe makinyanĩria mũtambũrũko ũyũ wa gĩkũnjĩro kĩa mohoro mũndũ gwĩtĩtio Irene wa Kimani nĩwe producer wakwa kana nĩwe mũharĩrĩria wakwa makinyitanĩra na timu yothe ya andĩki a mohoro kuma ituri ngũrani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mũndũ gwĩtĩtio Sally nĩwe mwerekeri wakwa na mũndũ gwĩtĩtio Desmond nĩwe mũhũri wa mbica. Tukiuge atĩa nginyagia cirĩkia handa thaa imwe cia hwainĩ rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi.